welcome back to a brand new adventure. Another day here in Ninh Binh. It's going to be an awesome day. A little bit of sun out, not much, a lot of clouds still, but we're going to spot the gap while there's a little bit of sunshine. We're at the bucket list item that's been years in the making, Tam Coc Boat Tour. In my opinion, this is one of the most epic sceneries that you can possibly do here in Ninh Binh. I've only seen it online obviously, so let's go find out for ourselves.
Combo is 340. We're doing a combo though, are we? It's funny how children are, it's not a certain age, it's under a certain height. Hello? So we got sightseeing entrance fee, 250. Children between 1 metre and 1.3 metres. What about children under a metre?
Well, free at the last one.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Come to the please go here. You see the electric car. Get on it.
Sure.
On the electric car from the ticket office to the pier. Oh, that's why my navigation said come up here, because this is the pier, not the ticket office. Right here. Oh, we could have bought some here. Thank you.
Now we've got.
That's the ticket for the boat. Hold that. Put the receipt away.
Is this for two or for one?
I've only got one, so I guess it's.
Okay.
I think it's just for the operator because it's 2 people per boat.
Oh, cool.
So they get paid, I guess.
I guess so. Oh, this is us here, Joe. No. That's fine. You want front or back?
Front.
Alright, go.
Turn around, turn around.
Oh, yeah.
We're on the boat. At least there can no confusion about the route we're taking because it's just us on the boat. There's 2 people per boat for this one instead of 4 like the Trang An one. Can't wait to get to these rice fields. This is going to be the most epic part of it.
So, the boat instructor just said to us, it's a hot day, you're safe, you don't need your life jacket if you don't want to. So, he just told us to pop it off on the side there, which is good. So, yeah, don't really need it, to be honest. But you got to listen to your boat instructor. You can see him behind me, he's just lay back, chilling and paddling with his feet. Because apparently that's the way they all do it around here. Crazy.
Ninh Binh Soulful Spa. That is a magic cafe spot. Bungalows right on the river here. Tour goes past. How good would that be to stay there? Tam Coc Bungalow, yeah, they've got skills, that's for sure. Straight up there, Tam Coc Nature Lodge. If you're looking for some cool accommodation, right near the Tam Coc Tour. That's another name. Out of the photo boat. because we're taking our own. She's got a fan on her umbrella. That's a pretty cool way to keep cool. This, I have no idea what this is. I don't see anyone selling anything. It looks to be just motorbike parking. There's seats and stuff there. That's the selling stuff from the Nesky. But talk about a legendary spot, steps right down into the river. And you're right there. See Dragon Mountain up here, Hung Mua. We'll definitely go up there, but that'll be in another video for sure. Cave farm. This section here we've just come into rice fields on either side of the river here, and then cliffs, limestone cliffs either side. This is that picturesque spot that you see in all the photos, and the spot that I reckon that looks most epic. So we're going to try and get the drone up in this spot. Only problem is these boats are a lot smaller. It doesn't have a little platform at the nose like the other boat did. So this may be a bit tricky. We'll see how we go. Sunshine. Still lots of clouds, but sunshine on a boat tour. And it is hot. So hot. This little section here just looks pristine, perfectly laid out. Man-made little walls here, right on the edge of the rice fields. And from what it seems, the only way in is by boat. So for them to harvest this rice, they'd have to do it section by section and put it on these little boats. I'm imagining. How else would you get it out of here? This must be the end. Turn around and go back, is it? Oh no, there's a way down this way. All the bamboo laid out, ready for building. What is this place? A restaurant? All those vines hanging down from the trees just above the waterline. It's very shallow here, look. Some kind of a temple looking thing built into the mountain here. Yeah, so you could walk up here if you wanted, but
So looks like we basically just do a loop, one way back, one way forth, and only a stop off on the staircase if you want to break. But apart from that, this tour just seems like a pretty straightforward one. Going past the greenery, going under the caves, going through the hills, going past the rice fields, and then back the same way you came. So it's almost like the river has a two-way street situation happening. Which isn't a bad thing because it's actually quite nice to look at. And if you have a look at some of the drone shots, not that you'll be able to see it from down here on the boat, but they've got artwork in the rice fields with the name of the place. Plus, I'm going to have a closer look at that footage because it looked like it could have been a cow in the artwork, but I'm not 100% sure. Cow with some flowers and something else, but it's really cool. As you can see, our drover behind me is just chilled under his brolly, just doing his laps with his feet. Very chill dude, very happy dude. Super chill dude. He was really happy for us to fly the drone. We asked him, said, hey, can we fly the drone? Yep, no worries. Jumped out, actually slowed down for us to set it up, and then he slowed it down for us to catch a drone again. So, real happy with our boat guides today. But there are so many boat guides. Like, chances are getting this guy again on a second run would never happen. Anyway guys, let's enjoy the rest of this view on the way back to the pier.
These little thin mats that you sit on don't give you any padding. So JC had a good idea.
Genius idea.
Look under his butt. Whoa. Yeah, sit on your life jacket because the sign says you only have to have them on when you get on the boat and get off the boat. You don't have to have them when you're on the boat. So they're very, very good padding, so put them under your butt and a much more comfortable ride. Almost back at the starting point now, but we're going past this graveyard again. As far as resting places go, beautiful spot right by the river. Getting busy now. I think once the sun came out, everyone got the idea, quick, go to the boat tour.
Yep, and now the sun's creeping away again.
There wasn't no people when we started, there's still a fair few people, but now there are hordes. Yeah, boats everywhere now. That that is the end of Tam Coc Boat Tour.
So the whole thing for 250,000 dong, which roughly equals about $11 to $12 Australian, and I think just under $10 US. Little less than the Trang An tour, so it was only about an hour and a half, you reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah. But the view is absolutely stunning, and the benefit of that one is you actually get to come back the way you came and see everything all over again. And it's not like it's the same view over again, it's actually a different perspective, and it's really lush green. The rice fields were crazy, and we got some amazing drone footage of those rice fields as well.
Oh yeah. You've already seen those, so I don't have to tell you how epic they were, but yeah, that was a nice surprise. Yeah. One way there, one way back. Some pretty ritzy hotels around here, and there's some pretty cool hostels that are right on the river here.
Yeah, so nice for a quick drink afterwards if you're thirsty.
And if that's your thing, where you want to stay, right in this backpacker type area, seems to be the backpackers this side, and the opposite, the other side of the river, seems to be the fancy hotels.
So that is our bucket list item, Tam Coc Boat Tour.
Yeah.
Done and dusted, crossed off the list.
And I'm so happy they've got to do this on a sunny day, when the rice was green.
Yeah.
Anyway, our ride's here. We're gonna go.
See you guys. All right, guys.
All right, had to cut you short there because I almost got run over by the bus, and he was going to take off without us. So we had to quickly jump on so we can get back to the motorbike. So that'll be the end of this video here.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around to the end. If you did, we love you. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give us that thumbs up, and don't forget to tell people who want to come and experience this amazing experience at Tam Coc in Ninh Binh to have a look at this video and just to see how beautiful it is on the video first, and then come and experience it up close and personal.
Yeah, or anywhere in Vietnam.
Yeah.
There's no places disappointed yet. Next couple of videos are going to be awesome, so stick around for those, and we'll see you then. Peace.